Hi, my name is Aishwarya. A fuel feed pump is a device that helps pump fuel from the tank to the engine. It is an important part of the fuel system and it helps keep the engine running smoothly. Over time, however, the pump can become worn out or damaged and it may need to be replaced. When this happens, it is important to know how to properly overhaul the pump so that it is safe and reliable. What is a fuel feed pump? Diesel fuel feed pump are pumps that are used to transfer diesel fuel from the fuel tank to the engine mounted fuel injection pump. They are responsible for maintaining the pressure and flow rate of the fuel needed for the proper operation of the diesel engine. Fuel feed pumps can be of various types, including electric, mechanical, and rotary, and are typically designed to meet specific fuel flow and pressure requirements of the engine they are servicing. They play a critical role in ensuring that the diesel engine has an adequate supply of fuel to run efficiently and effectively. A mechanical fuel feed pump is typically installed on the side of the fuel injection pump, then shaft that extends into the engine. The feed pump draws the fuel from the fuel tank through the filter and send it to the fuel injection pump. When fuel passes through the pump, an impeller spins inside of it to create pressure which helps force more fuel out of the tank. This process keeps the engine running smoothly when it is not running on fuel from the tank. Now we are going to learn how to overhaul a feed pump.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to overhaul the mechanical fuel feed pump, overhaul the electrical fuel pump. Tools required: trainee's toolkit, circular plier. Equipment required: air compressor. Materials required: kerosene, diesel, soap oil, cotton cloth. Feed pump gasket. A mechanical fuel feed pump typically need to be overhauled every few years in order to keep them running properly. Overhauling a fuel feed pump involves disassembling the pump and cleaning all of the parts. Once the pump is clean, new parts may be needed to be installed. First, we are going to have a look at dismantling and inspection of fuel feed pumps. Disconnect the fuel lines of the mechanical feed pump. Remove the feed pump assembly from the fuel injection pump by loosening the mounting nuts uniformly. Remove the filter housing by loosening the clamping nut, screw and clip along with the spring, filter and gasket. Remove the snap ring and take out the roller tappet assembly of the feed pump. Remove the screw plug and gasket and take out the plunger and spindle and with the return spring. Remove the hand priming pump and gasket. Remove the screw plug, gasket and remove the valves along with the springs. Remove the roller pin and roller. Remove the slider, tappet and spring. Cleaning and inspection. Cleaning all the parts of the fuel feed pump with kerosene or diesel. Check visually all the parts for wear and replace if required. Check the tension of all the springs and replace if necessary. Check the valve seats. Check the gaskets and replace if necessary. Check the filter clamping nut threads. Now, we are going to see the assembling of fuel feed pumps. Assemble the roller tappet assembly in the housing and secure it by the snap ring. Assemble the spindle and plunger assembly and tighten the screw plug. Place valves on their seats, along with the springs and the gasket in position, and screw in the plug. Fit the hand priming pump. Fit the filter assembly. Rotate the FIP camshaft so that the heel of the cam driving and the feed pump is at the front. Fit the feed pump on the FIP. Tighten the feed pump mounting screws uniformly. Connect the inlet fuel line. Check for the operation of the pump by the hand priming pump and also by turning the engine. Remove the air bubbles in the fuel line. If the fuel comes out freely without air bubbles, connect the outlet line. Electrical fuel pump. Nowadays, intake electrical fuel pumps are used in some conditions. When the fuel pump fails to work properly, engine malfunctioning indicator or engine light will turn on dashboard. Symptoms of a faulty fuel pump. Low fuel pump pressure. Poor idling. Failing to start. Poor performance. Engine sputtering. Removing of fuel pump. Park your vehicle on level ground. Put parking brake. Open the hood and disconnect battery terminals, positive and negative. Locate the fuel pump. Disconnect the fuel line from the pump. Disconnect electrical connections from the pump. Use the rust remover to remove the rust if needed. Loosen the fastener or lock ring which is used to attach the pump with the tank to remove the pump. Mark the position of pump inlet and outlet on tank. Take out the pump carefully from the tank without any damage. Check inside the tank for any debris. Visual inspection. Inspect by having a closer look on the fuel pump. Look for external damages and repairs. If there are any, please renew worn parts. Refit fuel pump. Put the O-ring on the fuel pump. Guide the fuel pump by inserting the fuel level sensor in first. Place it on the proper indexing. Place using bolts and spanner. Double check everything once the straps are tight. Reposition the hose and fuel lines.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned in this topic. We have learned overhaul the mechanical fuel feed pump, overhaul the electrical fuel pump. Thus, we have learned how to overhaul the feed pumps. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.